Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? We're going to show you the Desert Tan Ranch insulated top Madison window. Yes, we got to clean the paw prints off. There's some more over here. And down there. And we got to put the weather strip on. And we're going to do all that. I love the Hormann frames. They're smooth, flush. They're a little bit further down so they don't catch on the weather strip. And they're in there like really good. These aren't like the ones you could just kind of snap in and out. You got to loosen up all the screws on the inside to get those out of there. Those are nice. I love these frames from Hormann. Nothing special about this job, but yet there is, and I'll tell you that in just a moment. But let me show you some stuff here. If you notice that little outline there, the homeowner took the door down and left it there. The homeowner took the opener down, and the homeowner is going to hang his own jack shaft opener. And this is Desert Tan. Here we go. Oh. Smooth as silk. We did put the big 20s on for him because he's doing a jack shaft opener. And there's our 13 ball zinc sealed wheel versus the standard 11. There's the greased fitting here. No one does that in the industry except Hormann. I love it. 11 gauge hinge. Clear insulated windows. Our new top seal, which goes right over the top. Let the camera focus a little bit. There we go. Stop. You can see it fits on there beautifully with a huge piece of rubber. And go ahead and close it, and then whammo. Let me the camera adjust a little bit. There you go. You can see it seals real nice. You can see it on the outside. We're really liking that. And the 20-inch radius is perfect in here. Just enough room to get that jack shaft in. Give him enough pipe over there. Okay. Hormann tags. We put the little bend in the where the horizontal meets the vertical so it doesn't cut into the rollers, the bottom roller. I always see that. We always see that. There's the springs up top, warning tags, 20-inch. You can see the homeowner did the drywall for us. Oh, here.
Your smallest fan.
I won't, yeah. There's my world's smallest fan right there. Goof. So, yeah, you put the drywall up there for us so we could do the hangs. We put 2 bolts in the back. 20s, just textbook job from us. And nothing too special about it. Upsy daisy. You want to close her up? Put your foot underneath there. Too late. There it is, the Hormann 3200 Ranch. Matches beautifully with that brick. Insulated windows. It's a great looking door. And the bonus slash special part of this video is I'm going to do a shout out to fan. Just zoom in on that a little bit there. Looks great. Happy birthday, Mr. Brogan. Hope you have a great day. On my video, Sonny boy. Thank you. Happy birthday. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Bless you.